Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Glow Lotion. First, always begin with clean, dry skin. Use your favorite cleanser to remove any impurities, then pat your skin completely dry. It is also wise to perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area, like your inner arm, at least 24 hours beforehand to check for any sensitivities. This simple preparation ensures a smooth, even application and beautiful results. Now, let's talk about application. Squeeze a small, coin-sized amount of Easy Glow Lotion into your palm. Gently massage the lotion onto your skin using broad, circular motions, ensuring even coverage. Pay special attention to blending around areas like your wrists and ankles. Remember to use a very light touch on drier spots such as your elbows, knees, and ankles to prevent any darker patches. After applying, patience is key for a flawless finish. Allow the Easy Glow Lotion to dry fully for at least 10 minutes before dressing. During this time, avoid sitting or bending too much. For the best results, refrain from showering, swimming, or any strenuous activity that might cause sweating for a minimum of 4 hours. Wearing loose, dark clothing can also help prevent any transfer while the product sets. To keep your radiant glow looking its best, daily moisturizing is essential. Hydrated skin helps the color last longer and fade more evenly. For a continuous, beautiful tan, plan to reapply Easy Glow Lotion every 3 to 5 days, depending on your desired depth of color. Before each reapplication, a gentle exfoliation will ensure a fresh, smooth canvas for an even, streak-free finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.